Hello students, good morning all of you. And in previous video I have solved some novel problems of exercise 3.2, and today I will solve some remaining problems of exercise 3.2 which is based on the finding for square root. Okay, so let's start. In question number 3 you have to find a square root for solving decimal numbers. Okay, so in this question you have to we have to learn how can we find square root of a decimal number. Okay, so watch carefully all the steps before solving the question. Okay, so let's start. Under root 1.69. Students, first of all you have to, if you want to find square root of these decimal number, first of all you have to remove the decimal. Okay, then after you have to convert into prime factorization, prime factors. After that you will find the square root of this decimal number, just like this. We have learned in previous classes that how can we remove that decimal in the chapter decimal. Okay, you have to remove like this. Here after decimal there are two digits 6 and 9, so if you remove this decimal by this, like this, then you have to write 20. After that this number can be written as this. Now you know that 169 is the 169. If you want to convert 169 into prime factor, then you have to write 13 multiplied by 13, because 13 into 13 square is equal to 169. Okay, and 100 can be written as 10 multiplied by 10. Then here the pair of one pair of 13 and one pair of 10, then we can write after pair you have to write 13 and only 13 and 1 10. Then now again this is a decimal fraction, because you know that you all know that if any fraction with multiples of with the denominator of multiples of 10, then it is called decimal fraction. Okay, so this is not your final answer. It can be further solved after putting the decimal between 1 and 3. So this is the answer. Now in the same way we have to find the question 0.04. First of all you have to remove this decimal by this. Okay, now here before 4 there are two zeros. Without decimal there are 20, and the value of 20 is negligible, because if you want to write any number of 0 before any number, then it is also equal to same number. So no need to write 0 before any number, so it can be written as 4 upon 100. Now it can be factorized by this. Now again we can write here pair of factor is one pair of 2 prime factor and one pair of 10, then we can write 2 upon 10 after removing symbol of square root. Student, I have explained how can we remove symbol of square root, because if you want to remove symbol of square root, then you have to write only single factor. Okay, now it can be written as 0.2 because it is a decimal fraction, so it can be written as decimal. So students, before moving our next question, pause the video to note it down in your copy or take a screenshot. Now students, we are moving our next question. Question number 5 is, student, question number 4 I have left because this question number 4 is based on the method of square root by long division method. Okay, so question number 4 is based on the method long division method. Okay, so I will discuss this question after completing this exercise. Okay, so this question will be solved by long division method. So I will discuss this question after completing this exercise. Okay, so we have to move on. Question number 5. Question number 5 is the area of the square. This is word problem. First of all, you have to read the question. The area of the square is 841 meters square. Okay, find the length of the side of the square. Student, a square has area. As 841 meter square. Then you have to find. How can you find an area has square and square has area is 841 square? Then you have to find what is the side of the square. Okay, so first of all you have to apply the formula of area of square. Student, you have studied in class 7th in the chapter area and perimeter is the chapter, and you have all of you know about what is the formula of area of square. It is side into side. Okay, so if you want to find the side of the square, then you have to find the square root of the area, then you will find the side of the square. So let's start the solution of this question. Given area of square is equal to 841 meter square, then length of square is, student, length of the side of the square is equal to under root area, because this is the formula. If you want to find the area of the square, then the formula of area of square is side into side. Okay, and if you want to find the length of the side of the square, then the formula of this is under root area. So keep in mind these formulas for solving this type of question, that if you want to find the area of the square, then it is the formula of the square, area of the square is side into side, and if you want to find the side of the square, then the side is equal to under root area. Okay, square root of the area. So keep in mind these formulas. It will be used in future. Now we can write given area of the square is 841, so you have to write 841, and this can be factorized by prime factor 29 multiply 29. So 29, here the pair of factor of 29 is 1 pair, then you can write the answer of this question is 29 meter. Okay, so this is the answer of this question. So student, before moving on next question, pause the video to note it down in your copy or take a screenshot. Now students, we are moving our very interesting question. Question number 7 is saying that one number is 25 times of other number. एक नंबर है जो एक नंबर का किसी नंबर का 25 टाइम में 25 गुना है. एक नंबर जो है किसी नंबर का 25 गुना है. द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ नंबर इज 900 एंड द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ बोथ द नंबर, इट मीन्स उन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट 900 के इक्वल है. देन फाइंड द नंबर, यू हैव टू फाइंड द अननोन नंबर. सो स्टूडेंट, in this type of question, if you want to find the unknown quantity, then you have to assume a variable which because variable you are all know about the chapter algebra, that if you want to find the unknown quantity, then you have to assume a variable, because variable has no fixed value. Variable has no fixed value. So let's start the solution of this question. First of all, you have to assume this number. Let the required number be x. Let the required number be x. Then from question, according to question, you have to apply the condition of this question. Here, first of all, you have to find the 25 time other number. Then other number is suppose x, then its 25 times number is 25 multiplied by x. This is the 25 of the 25 times of the number other number, and again you have to find the product of the number. Then if you multiply this number from this number, then the product of this number and this number is given 900. Okay स्टूडेंट, समझ में आ गया आप सभी को? एक नंबर है जो कि उसके 25 टाइम्स, एक नंबर 25 टाइम्स है, ठीक है, और उसका प्रोडक्ट 900 के इक्वल दिया है, तो हमें नंबर फाइंड करना है. नाउ वी कैन मल्टीप्लाई दिस नंबर बाय दिस. हियर x multiply x is equal to x square. Then we can write here x square. Now this 25 can be shifted as 900 upon 25. Now here if you want to remove this square, then you have to write a square root symbol 900 upon 25. Now again this can be again written as 900 means 3 into 3 into 10 into 10. 3 3 9, 9 10 90, and 90 10 900, and it can be written as 5 into 5. 5 1 5, 5 2 10, 5 1 5, 5 2 10. Then it can be written as 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. So here you have seen that the pair of factor is one pair of factor is 3 and one pair of factor of 2. Then it can be written as 3 multiplied by 2. Then we will get 6. So 6 is the required number. This is the answer of this question. Okay. Now student, and some remaining question. Watch carefully all these video before you have to solve some remaining question of this exercise. Watching this video, this step. Okay. So write the homework of this. Today homework is complete the exercise 3.2. Student, question number 4. No need to solve this question number 4 except 4 को छोड़ करके आपको सारे क्वेश्चन लगाने हैं. अगर जो भी क्वेश्चन नहीं समझ में आएगा उसको हम ऑनलाइन क्लास में डिस्कस करेंगे. एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इज बेस्ड ऑन द मेथड फाइंडिंग द स्क्वायर रूट बाय लॉन्ग डिवीजन मेथड. सो इसको हम जो है आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 जो है एक्सरसाइज जब 3.3 स्टार्ट करेंगे तब हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 को डिस्कस कराएंगे, तभी आपको समझ में आएगा. ओके. तो thank you for being with us.